Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the book review series that I have going. I'm going to be doing probably like hundreds of children's books, vintage books, magazines, whatever people use in crafting and whatever I have in my room here. So I'm going to do a book review of everything about the book. So maybe it's something that you want to try to search for and look for online. So here we have, this is a huge book. I have a glare. Okay, so this is a golden book, Walt Disney's production, Robin Hood. It is 9.5 wide by, looks like probably 12.5 inches tall. So this is a huge book. Okay, there's the spine. There's the back of the book. It's beautiful. Okay, so let's take a look. This is 1973. Golden Book, Golden Press. Excuse me. Walt Disney Productions. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the second printing, 1974. So this is a 1974 edition. It has a thick, you know, like construction paper type pages, large lettering. It is sewn in, so the pages can be taken out, the entire page. Love the bright, pretty colors in here. So here are the strings. And again, like I explained in one of my other videos, you can take this type of razor blade and all you gotta do is go under and push, and look, it cuts that string. This razor blade, this type of cutter is fantastic. If you don't have access to that, you can also get this type of a blade. This is a carpet blade. It's called carpet blade. You can find it in Home Depot or wherever. And again, the same thing is you just put it underneath and pull up, and it just, you're not going to damage the paper. And it's just so easy, and I highly recommend if you're taking books apart to use either one of those blades. Okay. Continue on with the book pages. Love Robin Hood. And the end pages are always full color too. So, yep. And I'm sorry, how many pages? Oh, these pages weren't numbered. So, again, here we go. That was Robin Hood. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All right. Bye.